this, well, there's a lot of things that I can do in that side by side that I can't do in this. So. Just depends on how much money you got in your bank and how much time you want it to be down. Those are the two things you got to think about before you hit one of those hills. Like, I let one of our friends drive it around our property up north, and he rolled it.
Damn.
And he went up on its side, and that was it. $500.
Damn, just for turning on the side real quick.
Yep. And I did all the work myself, so he didn't even have to pay for time in the shop. Yep. He bent a lower control arm, and then there was a bracket that's over here on the pillar that has the door hinges on it. And he snapped the door hinges right off of it.
Yeah, that cost.
So just that little bar. I mean, it was like maybe 14 inches long with a bend in it and 2 holes.
Damn.
And 2 brackets that were welded to it for the door hinge. And that one bar was like $230.
Damn.
Yeah.
Just for that bar.
Just for that bar.
Piece of lonely steel.
Uh-huh. It was crazy. I'm like, well,
Then you gotta have somebody to do it.
yep. So like, my side by side, I haven't touched it yet. It's been down for 3 weeks because I ain't got time, and I don't take none of my stuff to anybody to work on it in the shop. I do it all myself, and so I'm just waiting for time.
You gotta get the time, huh?
Yep. Hunting season's right around the corner, so that ain't happening.
That's one thing I wish I could get into. Well, I've never been hunting.
No?
Nope, never been hunting.
It's definitely a good time.
Me either. Even though I took
I
a
wonder what
class.
they call Magnus, like the company up here.
Yep.
Stairs, you see that up there?
Oh, good.
Yeah, they want some stairs, buddy.
Gotta get over that ditch first. Neutral. Full low. Ready?
Yeah.
Going back downstairs.
Oh. I don't think putting such can do this.
No.
She's getting stuck.
Is this actual rock right here we on?
Yeah.
I'm looking at it. Man. Crawling up.
Nice view.
Yep. Nice view.
Oh, man.
Sweet. I hope the GoPro didn't pick it up or YouTube will can me for a cuss word.
It's crazy how they go after some people. You damn near can see what you want, man. They don't sound like people.
And other people that don't do anything to like have the stuff the kids be watching. They have cuss words every 10 seconds.
This is the backside.
Nice. Are we going
Down that
up?
side.
No. Not with this. The stuff like that's made for, you gotta have a purpose-built vehicle. I could probably go up that.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
No.
But that stuff that's back there that has all the hills like that, I'd mess something up for sure. I don't have enough travel for that.
They come custom ones, probably bigger tires and all types of
Yeah.
custom shit.
You gotta be able to
$200 grand.
flex.